What's up, Bulldogs? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Bulldog Weekly. This is episode 5 of season 2, and to start us off, we're gonna have a pep rally recap. Next up, Bulldogs, we have our next segment, Bang for Your Buck with Luis Perez. Let's head on into the studio and check it out.
Hello there, I'm Luis Perez, the host of Bang for Your Buck. You might be wondering, what's this episode about? This episode, we're going to be determining which has the better bang for your buck, the cookie or the donut. The cookie weighs about 1.85 grams. Meanwhile, the donut weighs 2.38 grams. The donut has around, I don't know, it's just bigger. I'm just gonna put it at that. Now, the donut costs $2, just $2 straight, because there's no taxes in the school, which is very good. Maybe illegal, but I don't care. I like food. The cookie is $1.75. That's 25 cents less than the donut, but the donut gives you more. Take that into consideration. Let's review. The donut costs around $2, while the cookie costs $1.75. This weighs 2.38 grams, and this weighs 1.85 grams. I think it's safe to say the cookie wins. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
For our last segment, we're gonna check out some of the awards RBTV got. Let's go check them out.
My name is Matthew Holdren, and I am the sponsor and the teacher here at RBTV. Last June, I had an amazing opportunity to step in, and when I took the program over, that I was trying to intertwine live television with more filmic elements. For me, Sports is a performance, and when we treat it that way, we're able to really draw out some amazing visuals. We did our first media day here at RBTV, and yes, we included every sports team that wanted to be a part of it.
The way we would do it is during the picture days, we'd have all the teams, once they're done taking their pictures, they'd come up to the studio. So this made it really easy for all the teams to be included, and we made sure they all had their own amount of time, and then we were able to give all the teams their footage and like pictures that we got.
The first one was about a 2-day process, and we saw 15 to 16 teams come through our studio and have a media day.
The student athlete would come in, we would get their photo in front of the green screen, and then they would come into the studio and we could do like the videos where they like walk up into the camera, all the things with like the different effects on the screen, and them basically just like doing whatever they wanted.
From the production aspect, we take about a week in class setting up and organizing and structuring our media days. It starts with, what should it look like? Do we want to use projections? What kind of lights? What color lights? Do we want to do it in the studio? Do we want to do it somewhere else? It's a lot of work from the students, but in the end, they really enjoy it.
The day of the media day, you're really in class, you're just making sure everything looks good, you're making sure everyone has a schedule, knows what part they're doing. And then once the teams kind of start like piling in, everyone gets assigned a job. My job was usually in the studio, either taking videos or letting everyone know where to go and what to do.
I really liked running the cameras. I think that was my favorite part, and kind of being able to direct everything that's going on.
The media day for us was huge, man. I mean, finally having something like that to get our players excited, a way that we could share kind of what our culture is and share what our kids really value and get them excited about coming out and playing the game. As much as, you know, coaches like to think that it's all about X's and O's and getting guys out there, like, your players love that day.
Well, in today's world of social media, our boys really look forward to the media day and just kind of having that time to, I don't know, get their pictures, their videos, their images out there. Just kind of having more of a collegiate or pro kind of feel where they kind of felt important and made it a big time event for them.
So media days are essential in today's sporting world for a sports team for a few factors. One, the social media aspect of it, just to be able to spread it around to their social media platforms.
And it's just a way to promote who you are as a program, what your kids are doing, because that's really where we're seeing like what the recruiting process is looking like.
It gives everybody a chance to see us, and probably motivates our guys a little bit too when it's put to music and all that fun stuff.
Finding a great media person that's able to put stuff like that together that just highlights what your players are doing, what your program's doing, is definitely going to be a huge thing, especially for what they're doing in the NIL, what the social media teams are looking like at the college level. Having one like that here at the high school level is just a huge advantage for us.
I really do believe that at this point in our school's history, media days are essential. If we want to grow our sports organizations, we need to show the world what they're made of.
Well, that's it for Bulldog Weekly this week. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure to tune in next Friday at 1 p.m. to check out our next Bulldog Weekly. Thanks for watching.